Are you considering buying a home but struggling to find something within your budget? Have you thought about buying a condo instead? Home prices are increasing, making it harder for some buyers to find an affordable option. That's where condos come in. They are usually less expensive than single family homes and have lower maintenance requirements, making them a great option for home buyers on a budget or people looking to downsize. However, before making the decision to buy a condo, there are some important things to consider. Buying a condo is not the same as buying a house. You'll likely have adjoining walls with your neighbors, as well as other physical elements that are different from a freestanding home. Additionally, the entire process you need to go through to make your decision and obtain a mortgage may also differ significantly. Loans can be harder to get for a condo because some lenders have strict requirements regarding owner occupancy and loan to value ratios. Additionally, a condo owner will have to abide by the covenants, conditions, and restrictions, also known as CC&Rs of the complex, or risk being fined, forced to comply, or sued. Condo owners pay monthly fees that cover the cost for ongoing maintenance and repairs of common areas within the complex, such as the grounds, pools, lobbies, elevators, and recreation rooms. While this can be a benefit, it's important to factor these fees into your budget before making a decision. Overall, buying a condo can be a great option for those looking for a more affordable and low maintenance living situation. If you're interested in purchasing a condo, be sure to do your research and understand the differences between living in a condo versus a single family home. If you got any questions about buying a condo, I'm here to help. Until next time, peace.